Buckle up for a hilarious construction fail fest. Watch workers battle gravity and lose spectacularly. From tumbling bricks to wild machinery, it's a riot. Smash that like button, share your favorite fail, and subscribe for more fails. Thanks for joining us. Let's dive in.
What's good, comedy connoisseurs? Weren't those construction moments just pure chaos? Did my hard-hat heroes have you laughing so hard you almost toppled over like a badly balanced scaffold? Don't even think about clicking away. The clips coming up are so side-splitting they'll make a steel bean snort with laughter. We've got workers pulling accidental comedy gold and tools with a knack for mischief. Leave now and you'll be kicking yourself like a worker who forgot his hard hat. Hit subscribe, drop your funniest comments, and let's keep this comedy site rockin'.
That's a wrap, my peeps. Hope you laughed so hard you forgot your name. Thanks for watching. Meet me at 7 p.m. daily for more. Catch ya.